New multi-million rand state-of-the-art court has finally been unveiled in KwaZulu-Natal. This comes after years of complaints from the public attorneys and non-governmental organizations over the dilapidated state of the Port Shepstone Magistrates Court. Nobuhle Modise has more on that story.
Finally, we now have this court. It has been many years.
This state-of-the-art complex has taken over 10 years to complete. During that time, the Port Shepstone Magistrates Court was cramped and literally falling apart.
There was always water challenges, electricity. I think one of the major things would have been the prisoners, because now they are underground in the tunnels. They brought directly into the courts, where at the old building you would walk past them in the passage. So, victims would be traumatized if they, for example, see the perpetrator.
After a decade of construction, this new building boasts 16 courts falling under the local magistrates court, regional court and high court. There are also specialized courts such as the sexual offences court, child maintenance court, family court and equality court. Construction mafias reportedly caused some of the delays.
One of the challenges was that of disruptions from the forums. But fortunately, we managed to intervene through facilitation, and we've managed to work. The first contractor left because of those problems. We were further delayed by COVID-19.
The full-service court comes at a cost of over 285 million rand.
Not because of delays, but there were escalations, which then added few things, but we are within the budget. And we would want to stick on that, finalize and complete project within time and within the set budget.
Following the closure of Ramsgate Magistrates Court due to its state of disrepair, it meant the number of state prosecutors climbed to 25 in cramped working conditions. This also resulted in an influx of cases from Heberton to Ramsgate or Margate areas.
Indeed, it will also help us to clear any form of backlog. It will also enable the High Court to have access to 2 additional courts which are coming in handy for the High Courts to work to facilitate access to justice.
While cases have already started being heard at the new complex, the first case at the High Court sits next Monday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nobuhle Modise in Port Shepstone, KwaZulu-Natal.